here to do a Valentine's makeup look. As you guys know, Valentine's Day is tomorrow, so I really wanted to do a makeup tutorial for tomorrow, and I hope you guys like how this looks and maybe even want to try it out. Tag me on Instagram if you try it out. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell next to it so you get notified when I upload a new video. Let's just get started with this makeup look. The palettes that I'm going to be using for my eyeshadows are the Naked Urban Decay Heat, and then this blush palette that is the Blush Nudes from Yanchun Cosmetics. So I'm going to be using these for the eyeshadow. First color I'm going to be using is called Heat Devil, and it's this orangey coppery color. I'm just taking a little bit more color and I'm going to darken the outer edge. Next, I'm taking the color El Fuego, and it's this red coppery color. I actually love the color, how it looks on here. For the bottom lash line, I'm going to be using this clean color brush, and I'm going to be dipping it into the same first color that I used. So first, I'm just pressing the color on my bottom lash line. And I'm kind of taking it into the inner corner, and my eye hurts on the inner corner of this eye because I have a sty. I don't know if you guys can see. You guys see that little yellow spot? It's a sty, and I hate when those come out because little pimples in your eye, they really hurt. So then I'm going to be taking the second color that I used and kind of putting it and dabbing it on over that first color. I'm going to use this color called Ashes, and I'm going to darken the outer corner of my eye. I've actually decided not to use the other blush palette, but instead cut my crease, and I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Cream Contour Kit. I'm going to be using the darker color. And as you guys can see, I made a little heart shape. So for the lid, I'm going to be using this Naked Urban Decay palette, and I think it's the first one. And I'm going to be taking this gold color. Once I have these heart shapes on my eyes, I'm going to line my lash line, and I'm actually going to be using this Deep Berry eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to be taking this telescopic mascara, and then this one, Super Lash, that I bought here in the flea market. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be using this Clinique moisturizer. And I'm running out of it. The classic Professional. under my eyes, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. thing again, the e.l.f. contour kit again, the darkest color, and I'm just gonna put it on the bottom of my eyes. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using this Lancome Paris foundation. Now onto one of my favorite parts, which is the contour and highlight. So I'm going to be taking this color right here. It's called Low Glow from the first palette. And then from my little palette, I'm going to be taking this color right here. I forgot to set my face. I'm going to be using this Adara Paris Lasting Finish Minerals Loose Powder. And I'm just going to set my face. And I don't really like to bake because I think it looks too white. So I'm just going to just lightly do that all over my face. So finally I'm going to be using this blush set, and I'm going to be using these two colors. I don't really like to use blush because I think it just makes your makeup look like too much, but I'm going to put some on a little bit on the cheeks. See, I just put too much on. I'm just going to take that out. And then now for the highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Naked palette, and I'm just going to be using the gold color that I used for the lid and highlighting my face. Last step, which is my actual favorite part, which is the lips. I'm going to be taking these colors right here. I'm not sure still which ones I'm going to use. This one is, they are the Vivid Matte Liquid Lipsticks. It's in red, Rebel Red, Smoky Rose number 38, Gray Envy number 2, and this stick, which is lip crayon, and it does not say the color. It says Rule Breaker. makeup look. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. I loved how it turned out, mostly the eyes. And I hope you guys followed me along the way. Hope you guys try this makeup look out.